Welcome to Trader Tech. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to master system and text shortcuts in Windows. These tricks will save you so much time and make your life way easier, so follow along closely. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Let's dive into Windows shortcuts. Windows uses two primary sets of shortcuts: Control, mostly for text, files, and Windows key, mostly for system functions. The first one is Ctrl plus A to Z, common text and app shortcuts. These work in almost every text editor and many standard apps. Ctrl plus A, select all content. Ctrl plus B, bold selected text. Ctrl plus C, copy selected items. Ctrl plus D, font options, Word, or bookmark a page, web. Ctrl plus E, center align text. Ctrl plus F, open the Find search box. Ctrl plus G, go to a specific page or line. Ctrl plus H, find and replace text. Ctrl plus I, italicize selected text. Ctrl plus J, justify paragraph alignment. Ctrl plus K, insert a hyperlink. Ctrl plus L, left align text or select address bar in browser. Ctrl plus M, indent a paragraph. Ctrl plus N, open a new window or document. Ctrl plus O, open an existing file. Ctrl plus P, print the current page. Ctrl plus R, write align text or refresh browser page. Ctrl plus S, save the current file. Ctrl plus T, open a new browser tab. Ctrl plus U, underline selected text. Ctrl plus V, paste from clipboard. Ctrl plus W, close the current window or tab. Ctrl plus X, cut selected items. Ctrl plus Y, redo the last undone action. Ctrl plus Z, undo the last action. We have seen all about app shortcuts, now let's see about system shortcuts. Windows key plus A to Z, system shortcuts. These control the Windows operating system itself. Win plus A, open Quick Settings, Action Center. Win plus C, open Microsoft Copilot. Win plus D, show or hide the desktop. Win plus E, open File Explorer. Win plus G, open the Xbox Game Bar. Win plus H, start voice typing, dictation. Win plus I, open Windows settings. Win plus K, open the Cast or Connect menu. Win plus L, lock your PC or switch users. Win plus M, minimize all windows. Win plus N, open the notification center and calendar. Win plus P, choose a presentation, projection display mode. Win plus R, open the Run dialog box. Win plus S, open Windows search. Win plus U, open accessibility, ease of access settings. Win plus V, open the clipboard history. Win plus W, open the widgets board. Win plus Z, open snap layouts, Windows 11. That's it for today. Practice these shortcuts and you'll be a pro in no time. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video tutorial.